مرحبا أنا سنتيا سامسون من قناة ميان العرب. الخبر اليوم من العمانية والهندية. بدأ العمل للواقعية الهواء العمانية الهندية. Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News channel. So today's latest news which I have brought today, that is from Oman, India. The work has started for the air bubbles. So now the news in details. The air bubble agreement between Oman and India that started from October 1st and valid till December 27th will be extended. The necessary processes have already been initiated in that direction. Anuj Swaroop, Second Secretary at the Indian Embassy in Oman. The initial agreement that was effective till November 30th was revised to the current date of December 27th. Right now, only the national airlines of both countries, Oman Air and Salam Air from Oman and Air India Express and Air India from India, can operate commercial flights. With the air bubble agreement in place, the normal commercial flights and not Vande Bharat mission flights are in operation. VBM flights are operational currently only to those countries with whom an air bubble agreement is not in place. The number of passengers allowed as weekly quota between Oman and India was also reduced from the initially agreed 10,000 to 5,000 each way between the operators. As per schedule, Air India will operate flights from Ahmedabad to Muscat and from Muscat to Mumbai on Wednesdays and Fridays, between Muscat and Chennai on Tuesday and Saturday, and to Delhi on Thursday and Sunday. Air India Express will operate flights under the agreement to various Indian cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Lucknow, Bangalore, Mangalore, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Kochi, Trivandrum, Kannur, Tiruchirappalli, and Calicut on different designated days. Oman Air flights as per the air bubble agreement will be to the three metros of India, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, apart from Kochi and Hyderabad operated twice weekly. Salam Air flights to India as shown in their booking site are to Bangalore, Calicut, Jaipur, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Chennai and Trivandrum. قناة هذه سنتيا سامسون من قناة ميان العرب. اشترك قناتي للخبر الهندية الإنجليزية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News channel. Please do subscribe to her channel for latest news updates in Hindi and English. Thank you so much for watching.